Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the app called Gigwalk. It provides an opportunity for you to earn extra money on your spare time. So if you are interested in learning more, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money from home or from your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe, and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. And go ahead and check out the gift card giveaway that we are doing for the month of March. The details are going to be in the description to this video, and then while you are in the description to the video, check out the first link that I have there. I will go ahead and share more details in regards to my first passive income stream that I have. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and check that out. And this is what the app looks like. We're gonna go ahead and kind of just dive into the app and look at it and what it is about and how you can use this app to earn extra money on your spare time by using your phone. Okay, so this is what the logo looks like. I will go ahead and put the link to this app in the description to this video. If you are interested, go ahead and check that out. And then also we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the how the rating is and everything, and just read about the app. Okay, so this app is rated 3.9 stars out of 5 stars, and it has been rated by over 5,000 people. So and if you are interested in reading about other people's experiences with the app, you can come and read the review section, and you will find other people's experiences here, and that way you can get a little bit more knowledge in regards to that. And if you want to get in contact with the developers, this is where you will come and find the information, and they usually have either a website, an email address, or even a physical address in this section, where you can always come here and find the information and get in contact with the app developers and ask them questions if you have any suggestions, concerns, or any issues with the app. This is a place to come and to find the developer contact information. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the images. Before I started recording, I was trying to play this video, but for some reason it doesn't want to play. But we're gonna go ahead and try it now. Okay, so see how it's kind of just I guess loading, or I don't know what it's doing. I did try to play the video beforehand and it didn't play for me, so we're just gonna skip over the video and let's just look at the images. Okay, so I guess once you create an account, you'll be able to create a username, your password, and stuff to be able to start earning money with them. And they're gonna show, I guess, whenever you are once you are connected with the app, you'll be able to, I guess, turn on your location, and then that's how it's gonna find out where you are located, and it's gonna find gigs available in your area. And for instance, here they have a gig available in the San Francisco area, and it gives the specific what is it that you need to do, and when is this gig due, and then they provide you the location, the specific location to the store or gas station or whatever it is or a restaurant, wherever it is that you need to go, either take a picture or purchase something in order to find out the information that they want you to provide for them. So we're gonna go ahead and just read over this whole example that they have, just to get an idea as to how the gigs work and what you have to do and if it's worth your time, depending on how you look at it. Okay, so showing, if you look at the map, it says it has that green circle and it shows $62. And if you look at the bottom of the map, you'll be able to see it says showing 16 gigs, and then I guess you can sort the gigs when by the date or by the deadline or whatever it is. You can sort it. That's why it says sort by, it says right there, and it says deadline. So, and then the actual gig, it says pain relief palette audit. It says 7.18. I want to say that's the amount of hold on, I don't know what the 718 is, but it says due in 8 days, and then it provides you the date that you can start working on the gig, and the date that the gig is due, and the place where it, for instance, there it says Costco, and it gives you the physical address to it, and it says duration. It's gonna take about 30 minutes to complete that. And I want to say to complete it, it means to walk to the place, to either take a picture or a video of what they want, and then walk back to wherever your distance is. And it says 1 mile distance, and the earnings is $4.50. Okay, and then here it's the same. This is the same gig that is, but it's just showing more details here, and it says pain relief palette audit, ticket details, and it starts and it gives you the distance and everything, and then it says ticket description. It says, please note, this gig requires a club membership to enter the store. If you do not have a membership or unable to enter the store, you will not be paid for this gig. Gig description: for this gig, you will be going to the address that is listed and making observations, palettes of Aleve pain relief, and taking a few photos. Gig details: in order to be paid, you will need to take a clear and well-framed photo of the storefront. Please locate the multi-pallet fence display at, and then it doesn't show anything else, but as you can see, it kind of takes you step by step as to what you need to do. And then it says photo setting, certification, and then it gives you the list of things that you need to do in order to complete the whole gig. So it does take a few steps in order to complete this. And now it says instruction: before attempting to take a photo, please check to ensure that your phone and privacy settings are granted. Gigwalk required: please take a photo of a hand or foot. This is a required question. Okay. So I guess you have to show your hand or your foot. I don't know. I guess that's what it means. And it says optional: did you have any errors with taking of the photo above? If you did have an error, what was the text of the error? If you could not successfully take a photo and submit. Okay, and then the last task that you need to do will be review your task and submit it. And then you will be required to sign and then submit it. I guess they do ask you when were you born, and if you are at least 21 years old or older. And did you have any errors with taking the pictures above the photo above? So you would, I guess you have to answer some questions in order to submit. Okay, so that's the last page you will be able to see where it says review and submit, and you submit it, and I guess that's how you get paid. But I don't know how long it takes, or if there's a limit as to what you can earn or anything. Let's try to find out and see. Okay, it says about this app: turn your smartphone into a second paycheck. Whether you're whether you are looking for a little spending money or a bit of saving, Gigwalk can help. Gigwalk is changing the future of work. Earn money when and where you want to, starting today. To become a gig walker, simply download the app and find a gig near you. Leading companies are looking for your help, and once a gig is finished and approved, the money is sent directly to your PayPal account. Everything's done through the Gigwalk app. No timesheets to fill out, no emails to send. Your phone and the app are all you need. Gigwalk is currently available in the US, Canada, and the UK. For questions or support, please email, and they provide you an email address. So yeah, I think it looks pretty simple and self-explanatory. I don't have any experience using this app, but I'm kind of curious to try it and see how it turns out, and kind of like, is it easy to earn money with this app, or just to test it out, I guess. If you want me to try out this app, leave a comment below letting me know, and I will try out this app if you want me to, because I'm really curious. And that is all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.